Zoho Bookings Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the Bookings platform. Links to the product and related resources are included in the description below, so feel free to check them out for more details. Zoho Bookings is an intuitive and efficient scheduling and booking platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and service providers. It simplifies appointment management, making it ideal for industries like consulting, healthcare, education, and personal services. One of Zoho Booking's strongest features is its seamless integration with the Zoho ecosystem, as well as popular tools like Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and Zoom. This makes it easy to sync schedules, manage appointments, and conduct virtual meetings without switching between multiple platforms. The platform's customization options stand out. You can create branded booking pages that match your business's identity, set up multiple services, define staff availability, and manage group bookings with ease. Whether you offer one-on-one consultations or group sessions, Zoho Bookings adapts to your needs. For businesses handling payments, Zoho Bookings integrates with payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay, enabling secure online transactions. You can also automate confirmations, reminders, and follow-up emails, reducing administrative work while improving the client experience. The user-friendly dashboard provides real-time insights into your appointments, cancellations, and peak booking times. These analytics help businesses identify trends and optimize their schedules to maximize productivity. Zoho Bookings prioritizes customer convenience with features like time zone detection and customizable booking slots, ensuring that clients can book appointments at their preferred times. For teams, it offers staff assignment options, so clients can choose who they want to book with, adding a personalized touch to the experience. While Zoho Bookings is feature-rich, it's best suited for businesses already familiar with the Zoho ecosystem or those looking for a simple, cost-effective solution. Its simplicity may not cater to the needs of large organizations with complex booking workflows. Overall, Zoho Bookings is an excellent choice for small to medium businesses looking for an affordable and user-friendly scheduling platform. For more details, check out the links in the description, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.